In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Splitit works. If you've ever wanted to spread the cost of a purchase without opening a new financing account, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using Splitit with your existing credit card. First, start at an online store that supports Splitit. You'll usually see the Splitit option mentioned on the product page in the site's payment methods or at checkout. If you're unsure, proceed to the payment step and look for the Splitit logo there. Once you've confirmed the store supports it, add the items you want to your cart. Take a moment to review sizes, quantities, and any eligibility notes because your installment plan will be based on the cart total, including taxes and shipping. Proceed to checkout and enter your shipping and billing details as you normally would. Double check your address and shipping method so there are no delays. It's much easier to make corrections now than after a payment is confirmed. When you reach the payment section, choose Splitit as your payment method. This is where the magic happens. Splitit lets you use your existing credit card and divide the purchase into monthly installments. There's no new account to open and no additional application to fill out, which keeps the process simple and fast. Enter your credit card details just as you would for a regular purchase. Make sure the card has enough available credit because Splitit relies on your current credit limit to secure the plan. Many banks will place an authorization for the outstanding balance and then settle each installment monthly, reducing that hold as you pay. Next, choose the number of monthly installments that fits your budget. Longer plans mean smaller payments each month, while shorter plans help you finish sooner. Consider your billing cycle and any upcoming expenses to pick a schedule that feels comfortable. Complete the verification step. You may be asked to confirm a code sent by your bank or approve the transaction through your banking app. This added check helps protect your account and keeps the transaction secure. Finally, confirm the payment. You'll see a summary of your installment plan, and you should receive an order confirmation from the merchant. Keep an eye on your credit card statements so you know when each installment posts. If you need to cancel or return, follow the store's policy. They'll adjust or cancel the remaining installments once the return is processed. That's it, no new account required, and it uses your existing credit card limit for a smooth, predictable way to pay over time.